I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying both channels and securing them with two-factor authentication. This prevents interruptions later. Once done, install OBS Studio and test audio and video input so you know your encoder works. Next, choose a multi-stream service or plan to run two encoders. Choose the service route for simplicity or the dual encoder route for lower latency. Make sure you have stream keys ready for each target and a stable upload speed above 6 Mbps before proceeding. Now configure OBS or your multi-stream tool by entering each platform's stream key and selecting the proper ingest servers. This tells your encoder where to send video. Next, set bitrate around 500 to 6,000 kbps, use a 2-second keyframe interval, and pick a 16:9 resolution that matches your viewers. Once done, arrange scenes and sources so overlays and alerts display consistently on both streams. Also, test local recording to catch quality issues, and verify chat integration if you want cross-platform moderation. Begin by hitting Start Streaming in OBS, then confirm both Twitch and YouTube dashboards show an active preview and green health indicators. Monitor CPU and dropped frames. If frames drop, reduce bitrate by about 500 kbps and switch encoder preset to faster. Make sure you selected the correct server region for each platform. Wrong region spikes latency. If a stream won't connect, re-enter stream keys and restart OBS. Finally, test with a short private stream to validate settings before a full live session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.